Namaste. I will show you how to make popcorn. For the popcorn we need corn and oil and then salt and then some spoon to take the popcorn out, and we fill the popcorn here. And this is our popcorn machine. So before we use the machine, we take some tissue paper to clean this popcorn machine, and then put oil little bit. First step we put oil little bit here. It can be oil of 1 spoon, and then we add corn 1 spoon of this. We can add one more. Spoon, some salt, and putting the salt over here. Here we have this thing. It's like magnet here. You just pull it down and it stays here, and you close. Once you put oil, corn, then salt, and then you put it down and just close it. And this is to turn, to stir, create stir. This is to heat, and this is to keep it warm and light inside. So it will take 5 to 10 minutes, then you will have a corn. And once you got the corn here, from here you put it here, and then we can also take this to awakening hall. Also you can fill in this cup to distribute to people. Make extra, like always keep it full and distribute to all people. That's it. Namaste. Once it's done, you can turn off this warm heat. Then you open this, and then we have the popcorn. And also we take from here. Here you need to be careful because it's very hot. So you lift it up, then you turn it like this. That's it. Popcorn.